Hello, my name is Steve Ryer, also known as Robot Man. Robot Man. I'm specifically talking to educators in Tassie because I live in Hobart and I travel all over Tassie delivering awesome workshops. I've been a school teacher for 28 years, but now, about 18 months ago, I decided to buy my own van, fill it up full of robots, travel all over the state, and I want to come to your school. I deliver hands-on, creative, exciting incursions that your students will never forget. I've been to Lindisfarne, I've been to Bothwell, I've been to Burnie, I've been to Exeter, I've been to Penguin, I've been to Margate, I've been to Collinsvale, I've been to Ulverston, I've been to Lonnie, I've been to Bridgewater, I've been to Devonport, I've been to Rokeby, I've been to Newtown, I've been to Swansea. I've been everywhere, man. But did you know there's 250 schools in Tassie? And I want to come to all of them. I will get your kids constructing, coding, controlling robots, and they will be inspired, and they'll be engaged, and they'll have fun, and you'll love it. There'll be lots of smiling faces and light bulb moments. An opportunity to tick a lot of those Akara boxes, not just your obvious digital technology ones, but a lot to do with creative and critical thinking. A lot of what I do has a lot to do with social and personal capabilities. So it has a lot to do with getting along with each other, working in teams, sharing, caring, persevering, resilience. Teachers actually really love it when I come to their school, because they don't have to take their kids out on an excursion. They don't have to hire a bus, they don't have to do all the forms and permission slips and risk assessments and all the nonsense that goes with excursions. I bring everything to your school and you just got to provide a space, and I bring everything else. Sometimes I teach a whole school in one day. Sometimes I teach 3 different classes in one day. I've been to schools over 2 days and taught just everyone in grade 4. Or I might teach everyone in grade 5, 6 in one day, in 3 sessions. It's up to you. I'm very flexible with the way I do things. Robotman.com.au. Have a look at my website now. There's pricing, there's bookings, there's testimonials. There's so much you can see about the Robot Man. Robotman.com.au.